Hi guys, in today's video, we're gonna learn how to add music to your video in 3 simple steps. When making videos, your video can do well with or without music, or it depends on the type of video that you're making. In general, adding music to your video is a nice enhancement. It increases your production value, it sets a tone, it adds a vibe. It also helps you to connect with your audience on an emotional level. Step 1. Find music. Find music that is safe to use. When you are looking for music to add to your video, remember to watch out for the copyright. What you need to look for are the music without copyright, also allowed in commercial settings. If you don't, your video might be muted. Even worse, get taken down. You might also have seen a lot of videos on social media that are featuring top 40 songs in their video. Because there's a loophole, if you only sample 15 seconds of the song, you can get away with it. But that does not give you the right to use the music, so I suggest you not to use any at all.
Don't do it.
And now I'm gonna show you how to find no copyright music. But first, I'm gonna show you how to find them for free. The first option, you can put in keywords like royalty-free music, no copyright music, free downloads in Google search. Also, you can try the YouTube audio library. If you have a YouTube channel, you can go to your YouTube channel and go to YouTube Studio and then go to audio library on the left column. Once you go in there, there's a lot of free music there you can download. They're all no copyrighted. And the other thing you can try is putting keywords like no copyright music or royalty-free music in YouTube search engine. There's a lot of new channel recently has popped up. They all have really high quality music for vlogging, some of them for commercial settings. All you need to do is just pay attention to some of the policies of using their music. Some of them require you to copy some little line, little script. Some of them just make you to give credit to the artist in your post copy. And once you go through all these options, you might think that all this music, they kind of awful. Well, they're all free, so some of the free stuff, they aren't that good. The other thing you can do is try some of the paid subscription. There's a site is really popular called Epic They Make Sound. So in this website, you can pay licensing for each individual songs. You can also pay a monthly license. And the other website I recommend is called Artlist. I actually have subscription of this site. It's really good. The quality of the music is really nice. I actually heard a lot of the songs from this site from a lot of commercial I've been seeing on TV. So it's a really nice option for you to try. The second step, open a video editor. This might sound intimidating to some people, but there are a lot of programs out there are really user-friendly. If you have a Mac or a MacBook, there is a program called iMovie, it's free. And if you have a PC, Windows, there are programs such as HD Movie Maker. It's really cheap, it's under $10, I believe. There are also a lot of video editor on smartphone that you can find. Most of these video editors, they all come with free music you can add to your video. So one of them is called Quick. In this application, there's a lot of interesting preset transition, also a ton of music that you can choose. And the other one that I recommend is called Adobe Spark Video. In this application, there's an auto function to automatically adjust the audio of your music when there's somebody talking in a video clip. And the only cons of this application is it only allows you to upload 30 seconds per video clip, so that's a limitation. All these applications are pretty easy to use. All you need to do is to load the video first and upload the music afterwards. You might need to adjust the audio volume if you need to. What I use for myself to add music to my own video, I use this application called Video Leap. I pretty much have to do everything myself, but also gives me the total control of the music when it adds to my video. So I'm gonna show you how to use this application to add music to a video. Step 3, now we can upload the music to the video. Let me open Video Leap. And now I need to choose a video first. And then I can tap audio and tap music. So on the right hand side, all these in the stock music, they are all royalty free. They're free for this application, and also they have no copyright. And also you can tap artist. So when you tap artist, it actually go into your iTunes library or your music library. So you can also choose file. This is just uploading the music you download from a browser. So I'm going to choose one of them. And now you can see the music is added on top of the video. And what you can do is you can adjust the volume of the music. If you are making a video, like a video ad with multiple little clips combined together, and you're talking in each video clip, I really recommend you to adjust the audio level of each little clip before you add the music on, and then also adjust the volume of the music. So I will turn it to volume 10 for being a background music. And now you can also add the fade in or fade out effect. So you can also use this bar to adjust the length of the effect. The other thing I'm gonna show you is you can adjust the speed of your music. I use this function when what I want is to make sure my music ends the same time as my video. So I adjust the length of the music by adjusting the speed. The other thing is when you speed up or slow down the music, you actually change the pitch of the music. So once you do that, you can tap change pitch or keep pitch. So when you tap that, the music will go back to the original pitch, at the same time keep the speed that you have changed to. And then you can also use the equalizer. Equalizer is to adjust the mid, low, and high frequency of your music. So there's bass plus, bass reduce, jazz, rock, tribe plus, and tribe minus. So just play around with this because it does change the sound of the music a little bit, but not a lot. Also, you can actually split the music. I only do this if you know how to count beats. If you know how to count beats, you know where to split the music. You can remove the middle part of the music and then connect the two ends together. You can do it like trim here, and then I will look at it again. I will trim here, and then remove the middle part, and then connect the two ends together, like that. This step takes a lot of time to adjust the sound. So if you don't know how to count beats, I don't recommend you to do this. That's it for the video today. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. Feel free to subscribe to my YouTube channel. And if you want to learn more, this video shows you how to make a signature logo for your own business. And this video shows you how to add text to your own video. See you next week, guys. Bye.